Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide apps from your Android home screen. And if you want to protect sensitive informations or simply declutter your home screen, uh, you can try to hide or move your apps, the apps that you don't want anyone to find out or see, by removing it to from the home screen. So if you want to do so, you can just select the apps that you want to hide. For example, this one's right here. I'm going to hide the Keep Notes apps. So you can just long press on it and there will be these options remove. So by removing it, it will remove or hidden from the home screen. But if you find it in the app list, you can go to the settings and find apps. You can still see the apps on your phone, and you can also still open it. Let's try to find the Keep Notes. Okay, this one, as you guys can see here, the apps is still there. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.